السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. Welcome to IG Nova. New video today for a checkpoint. Our topic today is a magnet. Easy and simple questions. Let's start. Question 1. Region around a magnet where magnetic force acts. The region that surrounded the magnet and magnetic effect appears on it, it's a magnetic field. Question 2. Magnet made from material like steel that keeps its magnetism without power. Without power, so not electromagnet. And it keeps its magnetism, so it's a permanent magnet. Easy. The end of the magnet where the magnetic effect is strongest, north or south. North or south, two ends, it's a two poles of the magnet. Question 4. A magnet created by an electric current. Wire wound around an iron can be turned on or off, so it's an electromagnet. Easy. Just some definitions. Structured questions. Some essay questions need to be explained in details to make you understand. Question 1. Using a pencil, sketch the magnetic field lines around the bar magnet. So you need first to draw a bar magnet north and south. Then, by using your pencil, sketch the magnetic field lines. I know that magnetic field lines out of north enters into south here, and north also. North actually is spread, it's all in all directions out of north. The things that makes you show its effect is the arrow. So after drawing, it can be an arrow here. Arrow out of north enters south. Like that. If he asks you about the magnetic field lines, you can draw them as lines. If he asks you for iron flings, you must draw them as they are, discrete here. Show the lines emerging from north pole, curving around into south pole, okay, including arrows. Okay, show direction of field, direction out of north, enter south. Easy. Question 2. State one method to magnetize steel needle. I have two methods. First one, stroking the needle with magnet. What is the second method? Think and tell me in comments. Question 3. When the electric current through the electromagnet is switched off, what happens to the iron core magnetism? We have electromagnet, current switched off. What's gonna happen to iron core? I'm gonna say iron core lose its magnetism. But what if he uses instead of iron, he uses steel? What you gonna say? You're gonna say the same. Steel will lose its magnetism, but for steel, it will be slowly. But for iron, it's fast. So here, make sure to read the complete question, because if the question is 1 mark, half mark for this and half mark for fast or slow about steel. Some tricks, you need to be careful while you're solving a questions like that. Question 4. Explain two different methods to demagnetize a permanent magnet and briefly why each method works. I'm gonna say by demagnetizing, maybe hammering the permanent magnet and maybe heating also. Heating the magnet. Why each method work? Why both work? Because they rearrange the order of domains. This is one of advanced question if he wants you to lose marks. So you need to understand this. And by this, we are done now with this worksheet. See you next time with IG Nova with more worksheets for checkpoint and IGs. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.